Hello friends, in this video we're gonna see how to take and restore WordPress website using Softaculous backup. Let's jump in the video. This video is available in multiple languages. To change the audio, go to settings of the video, click audio track. Now you can change your preferred audio languages. Log into your cPanel directly. On the left hand side, click WordPress Manager by Softaculous. You'll see WordPress website here. Click drop down option next to your website. Scroll down a little, click backup option. By default, the checkboxes will be ticked for backup directory and backup database. If it's not, check the box manually. Scroll down a little, then choose the backup installation option. Wait for a few seconds to complete the backup. To restore the Softaculous backup, click the drop down option next to your website. Click restore option here. Here you will see your list of backups here. Choose the date which you want to restore and click restore option. By default, the checkbox will be already ticked. Now just click restore installation. Click OK to proceed with the restoration and click return to WordPress management option. Now try to load the website now. You can see the content has been changed. With this method, you can easily able to take and restore the website from Softaculous backup. If this video helps you, please like, comment. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.